Welcome to our comparison video between Wix and GoHighLevel. These two platforms are popular choices for businesses looking to establish their online presence. We've researched and tested both platforms to provide you with a detailed comparison. Let's dive in. Wix provides a comprehensive range of features, including website builder, e-commerce functionality, and SEO tools. It also offers a wide variety of templates for different industries. On the other hand, GoHighLevel focuses on marketing automation, offering features like CRM, email marketing, and sales funnels. It's more suited for businesses looking for advanced marketing tools. Wix offers a variety of pricing plans, starting from a free plan to premium plans ranging from $14 to $500 per month. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, offers two pricing plans. The single location plan costs $97 per month, and the multi-location plan costs $297 per month. Clearly, Wix offers more flexibility in pricing. Wix is known for its user-friendly interface with a drag-and-drop feature that makes website building easy even for beginners. GoHighLevel has a steeper learning curve given its more complex features. However, once mastered, it offers a powerful platform for marketing automation. Both Wix and GoHighLevel offer a variety of integrations. Wix can integrate with popular tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and MailChimp. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, can integrate with many third-party applications, including Zapier, Stripe, and Google Calendar, making it a more versatile platform for businesses. Both platforms offer robust performance and security. Wix hosts websites on secure servers and offers free SSL certificates. GoHighLevel also provides SSL certificates, and its cloud-based platform ensures high uptime and reliable performance. Wix provides 24/7 customer support and has a comprehensive help center. GoHighLevel also offers support, but it's limited to business hours. In terms of scalability, both platforms can handle growing businesses, but GoHighLevel, with its advanced marketing tools, may offer more growth potential. While both platforms have their strengths, Wix comes out on top due to its user-friendly interface, flexible pricing, and robust support. It's a more versatile platform catering to a wide range of businesses. However, GoHighLevel may be a better choice for businesses specifically looking for advanced marketing tools. Thank you for watching our comparison between Wix and GoHighLevel. We hope this video helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos like this. Thank you.